Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're just going to do a bit of basic error handling in files. So we're going to try and open a file and we're going to throw an error, and I'll show you how to use the error handler in a file. So I'm going to put define open file 1 here. Okay. So I'm going to open file 1 using an error handler. So we'll put try, and then with open, and we're going to open a file called error.txt, like that, as file object. Okay, and okay, so we're going to say contents of the file is equal to file object dot read, because we want to read it, and then we're going to print the contents out. Print contents. So we're going to print the contents out there, and now what we've got to do, we've got to go back to here, accept. Okay, so we're going to give it just some name like this, some little error message here. So what am I going to call it? File not found. File not found error. Okay, so file not found error, and then we're going to print a little message here. So print a message, and that message is going to be something like file not found. Okay, right, we're going to write another little program here to open the file. Okay, and well, in fact we're not going to, because I will show you, I'll just show you how this works first. So open file 1, file 1. Okay, so we're going to try and open this file. Okay, but I'm going to do is I'm going to knock that off there. So that's definitely going to be wrong. So I'm going to run the program. There we go. There's the message, file not found. Okay, so let's run it again with this. Error.txt. I'll just save that. That is the name of the file, by the way. Okay, let's run it again. There we go. Okay, you can now read this. I've opened it. So there we go. That's the error handler in Python. Hope you've enjoyed that. And remember, as always, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Subscribe, give me a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.